Welcome to Kanien'keha, lesson 26. In today's lesson, we're going to be continuing with numeration, focusing on I stem nouns. So to begin, we're going to be looking at the rules when you're counting I stem nouns. So to say that there's one object, you would begin with the prefix gon, and then the ending would be a. To say that there's two, it would be de gon, and then the noun, and then age or age. For three or more, ni gon, noun, age or age. So for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to be looking at two nouns. The first one is ojokwa, which means a group of people. So to say one ojokwa is skonjokwa. To say two of them, degonjokwage. Or three or more, asa nigonjokwage. The second noun that we're going to be using is otsnarda, which means a boulder or a really big rock. So to say one boulder is skonstarda, two of them degonstardige, or three of them asa nigonstardige. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from Kanien'keha and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.